is the day of the tournament, so we are gonna grab a little bit of breakfast and then we gotta head out soon.
And like once like 3 o'clock. You know?
I didn't realize I pulled out.
Yes! Yes! Yeah! Hey, go against the chaser, not a keeper. Go against the chaser, not a keeper.
All right, we are back at the hotel now. Unfortunately, we lost all 3 of our games. We definitely had half a roster instead of a full roster like some of the teams, but like the reffing from some of those teams was absolutely ridiculous. Maybe some of the worst reffing I've ever seen, but that's just me. There's one team that I really liked, but other than them, like everyone else just got under my skin. So we're about to head to dinner right now, and then I'm gonna pass out for the night because I'm exhausted. Good morning, everyone. It is almost 5 a.m. I'm about to get picked up by our Uber driver and then head to the airport to head home. I have made it home. I am so happy to be back home and I'm so exhausted. That is probably the quickest trip I have ever taken. I was literally gone for maybe a day and a half. What is up, everybody? It is now Friday and today is Haley's birthday. She is currently at the salon getting her hair done because that's something that she wanted to do. And then we are actually gonna go get some late lunch at one of our favorite seafood restaurants. And then afterwards, I'm gonna take her to a place called Meow Wolf. I've heard about that place from a few of my coworkers and they say it's like so cool and so much fun. So I'm super, super excited. The good stuff. Here's some butter. So we just got done eating at Shell Shack. How did you like it?
It was freaking amazing, like always. It's like my favorite food.
Yeah, that is one of our favorite restaurants, seafood restaurants. So good. It's called Shell Shack. There's multiple locations here in Dallas. You guys should really check it out. It is so good. And we are now on our way to the next surprise. All right, guys, we are here. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, open.
Meow! You lied to me!
I didn't lie, I was just fibbing.
You lied! I'm so fucking excited!
Oh my gosh.
I want to give back.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is insane. Oh my gosh. There's so many different entryways all over the place. Oh my gosh. There's so many rooms. We're getting so confused. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we just went in a circle. This way. Take a look under here. A bunch of pipes. No, wrong way. Maybe under this one? Oh, wow. Just an elevator. I don't know. I don't know. Is that a pathway? Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, all right. We're crawling through this very small space. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh. Jeez. Oh God. Oh. I'm taking the slide next time. All right, here we go. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. The slide wasn't any better. Oh jeez. That slide and crawl space was rough. I thought it was gonna be a lot like longer and a lot smoother and stuff, but oh my gosh, the crawl space hurt my hands and knees, and then the slide was just weak. I had to crawl my way through that too. So what's been your favorite room so far?
I like the rainbow tree room and the room with the rainbow slide.
I'd say the rainbow tree room is also my favorite, and then the rooms with like the white frillies coming from the top.
Oh yes, it's giving Avatar.
Avatar, yes. Alright, so that is gonna be it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and make sure to comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. Mine, obviously, Meow Wolf. It was so cool. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.